Everyone, this is Miss Min. Today we're going to be working on making changes. So the first thing you will have to do is you will have to gather the coins. So please ask your parents for permission if you can use your coins in your piggy bank, or if you have toy coins that you can use at home, those are welcome. Before we start, we're going to first review the coins that we have. So first we have penny. Penny is worth 1 cent. And then we have nickel. Nickels are 5 cents. Dime, which is 10 cents. Quarter is 25 cents. And then half dollar is 50 cents. We do not use the half dollar as often as the other ones. We're not going to be including that one in our lesson today. Okay. If you will have to pay your friend 55 cents, how many different ways can you make 55 cents using your coin? So let's look at this. This is the 3 different ways I have written out for 55 cents. The first way is 55 cents using the dollar sign and the decimal point. The second way that I wrote it out is 55 cents using the cent sign. And the third way is 55 cents and with the cents written out in the word. Okay, so we're going to be using different coins to make the change today. So over here, you can see I have a pile of pennies, which pennies is 1 cent each. And then we have a pile of nickels. Nickels are 5 cents each. Dime is 10 cents each. And then quarters are 25 cents each. First, we're going to be using the quarters. I have 1 quarter, which makes 25 cents. 2 quarters, which makes 50 cents. And then I'm going to use a nickel, which is 5 cents, and add them together. So I have 25, 50, 55. So that is one way to make 55 cents. So I'm going to write it down. Number 1, I used 2 quarters and 1 nickel. So you can write it on your paper. It took you how many different coins did it take to make the amount? I'm going to take these away back to section so I can reuse them. And I'm going to make another way. This time I'm going to use quarters again, 25 cents, and 2 of them, which make 50 cents. And then I'm going to use pennies. I know pennies 1 cent each, so I'm going to be adding by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 2 quarters and 5 penny that also makes 55 cents. So I'm going to be writing it down. 2 quarters and 5 pennies. So it will look like this. I'm going to put the coins back. The third way I'm going to try is using the dimes. So I know dime is worth 10 cents each, so I'm going to count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I'm going to add a nickel, which is 5 cents, so that will make 55. After I made it, I'm going to write it down. I used 5 dimes and 1 nickel. This time, the next way, I'm going to leave the dimes there and only take away the nickel. I still have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I'm going to use the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies and make the 5 cents. Now we have 55 cents. I'm going to write that down. I used 5 dimes and 5 pennies. Next, I'm going to use the nickels to make 55 cents. I know 1 nickel is worth 5 cents, so I'm going to skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and then one more, 55. So it took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 nickels to make 55 cents. So I'm going to write down 11 nickels. So these are the 5 different ways that I made 55 cents. So for your bingo activity today, your goal is try to make 5 different ways using a variety of coins to make 45 cents. So go ahead and try that and let us know if you have any questions and we can sure help you. All right, bye.